Welcome back again. This is Eugene, and today we're talking about basically how you can be able to upscale. So, you selling digital products does not mean you can have one price tag, right? And just say that particular product and forget about it, or just have them listed and then forget about it. Or when someone buy, you just feel like, oh, you have another customer, they just bought one of your product and that's all. No, you have to have a plan and a strategy that you can keep selling to the people that buy from you the first time or people who are going to buy from your store. You want to, first of all, make sure you offer them a cheaper product. It could be one template or a checklist or basically a simple bundle that they can buy for a very cheap price. Now, when people buy from you, you need to understand that they trust you. And if that product is valuable, they will consistently buy from you if you offer them other products or other bundles. So selling digital product is one of the greatest things that you can do to make more money, increase your revenue, and basically expand your empire. So first of all, what you have to understand is try to offer them, if you are running a code campaign, one, a free template that they can glance through and have a great idea of what your product is all about or the bundle that you're trying to sell and what they're going to benefit from buying from you and the solutions that they're going to get. Now, when they buy, you can either sell the next bundle, which could be about 20 bucks, right? Or 29 bucks. And again, they are going to buy because they have trusted you at that point. Now, at this point, what you do is you pack a bundle, a simple bundle that we have more products, more valuable products, the same niche within the same thing, but you can have variations and you can, make that more elaborate and they will basically buy. All right. So when they buy that, now you have their trust. They trust you, and whatever you say, again, to them, they are going to buy. You may not get 100% of your audience or your customers to buy going up from the $9 product to $29 product to the $70 or $79 product, but you have about 50% of them that will buy that first product, will buy up to that tier. So it's basically selling in tiers. And this makes a lot of sense. It increases your revenue and make your customers, stick to you and of course bring others to buy from you as well. So now when they buy the second tier, you will wait again and have a larger bundle that you can be able to increase the price and again convince them to buy. So at this point, you will have something like maybe 79 bucks bundle that you will sell to them and tell them that, hey, this is the best package you can ever get on this platform and online generally. Is packed with more than this and more than this, or is packed with this and that and that. Just more value compared to what they got the first time or the second time. So this way you have one customer that buy from you three times and on different tiers. So they spend 9 bucks. Now they spend another 29 bucks and then you are selling them another product for 79 and they will buy from you. So as I said, even if you don't get like 100% of them, you'll be able to get about 50% of them that will buy this. And this is going to do a lot of wonders for your revenue and make you more money. Apart from that, what you need to understand is you have to strategically do this. You don't have to like boom, 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 push them to buy this. They will run away from you. They will think you are just using them to make money. You need to have a plan, a strategy, and a tactic to be able to sell to them. But it works and it will do magic for your revenue and you selling digital product online. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Tiers of selling and how you can be able to increase your revenue selling from the first customers that buy from you and make more money selling digital products. Again, I always remind you, if this is your first time or you have been watching me but have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. You will do me a favor and do yourself a favor. And that way you will also be able to learn a lot from what I share on this channel. And again, check Resell Empire where you can get thousands of digital products, start selling. You don't just buy this membership and we leave you at that. We teach you everything you need to know when it comes to digital marketing and we teach you how you can set up your store and start selling digital products again. So check Resell Right Empire before you leave today, resellrightempire.com, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.